Hello and welcome to 101 Ideas for Minecraft Learners. My name's Wizard Keen, and this week I'm going to talk to you a little bit about a special mod that I've been introduced to called Creatables. And I'm just standing next door to a little Creatables block down here. And what Creatables does is that, let's just turn myself around, it allows you if we can click open here, it allows you to actually take artworks from a website that you've uploaded separately and put them into Minecraft. And the resolution's pretty amazing. And you can have them any size you like, and you can kind of create art galleries and stuff like that from a community-driven kind of point of view as well. So there's all sorts of different tools as well on the website too. So it connects a website where you can upload images, and then you can kind of pull those images and put them into a Minecraft world. You're going to need an internet connection, of course. You can either do it on a single-player world, which is what I'm doing at the moment. I'm totally in creative mode, and I've just kind of created this world very shortly. And what I'm going to do in this tutorial, in this kind of 101 ideas, is basically give you the tutorial, okay, of how I installed it and how I got it working as well. So without further ado, let's do that, okay? Let's show you how it all gets put together and how easy it is, because it is remarkably easy. So what I'm going to do today is we're going to go through the entire setup for Creatables Minecraft mod, and we're going to get started, and I'm going to show you all through the whole process. So I'm going to go through the whole process myself. So one of the things I've already done is I've already got myself whitelisted and access to the server. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to scroll down this thing, and I'll leave this document in the description below so you can have a look at it yourself. So we've been whitelisted. Feedback, blah blah blah, download and set up via Technic launcher. Well, let's go right over to the Technic launcher and download that. So I'm going to download a Windows version of it. There it is, just downloading in the corner. Shouldn't take very long. And then let's go back and find out what needs to happen next. So it says download the Windows, Mac OS, blah blah blah. Launch the download file. If you're a Mac user, see blah blah blah. Okay, we've all done that. We're not on a Mac, but of course it's got both versions on here, so you can kind of see all that kind of stuff. And then we're going to install the application, and that's what we're going to also sign in. So we'll install the application and sign into Technic Launcher, and then come back and have a look. Okay, I've installed and logged into the Technic Launcher. So this is what it looks like as the default, and oh my goodness, it's starting to sort of drag me in already. There's Techit Legends. Starview Valley View mod pack. Oh my gosh, I might be playing a couple of these in my channel anyway. So let's go back to the Creatables Minecraft mod document and have a look down here. So it says download and run the Creatables server mod packs. Click the second tab on top of the Java Tech mod packs. May look like leaves covering it, like that. Okay. In the top left, there's a box saying add pack or search, or we could just paste this link in. So I'm going to just go and copy the link URL. Go to my Technic thing, go to mod packs here, and we're going to just paste it in. Can we just paste it in? Paste like that. There it is. My gosh, it's as easy as that. Okay, so basically it says latest up install. So we just press install down here, and then it's going to just download that as a zip, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we just go off and play with it. So while that's downloading, let's go back to the document over here. Press and install, we're doing that. Tips for optimal experience. Going forward, make sure that you have the latest mod pack. It's a good idea to close the launch and restart it, roger that. Things can get very slow if you don't have memory. So for optimal performance, set memory as follows. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Okay, well, okay, we'll do that. We'll do that right away, actually. Let's just go back there. Launch options over here. Java settings. Memory. Let's go all the way up to 2 gig. I think that's what it says. Let's just go back to my document. So yeah, okay, that's good. About 2 gigabyte, and that's what we want. So nip back swiftly into there. That seems okay. And I will be relaunching it before we get on, but it's still downloading the mod pack. So a mod pack is generally not just one mod, but often a group of mods all kind of all stuck together. So and they've obviously made this for the Technic platform. The Technic platform is one of the easiest ways to kind of just if you want to kind of start on your journey and use mods and things like that, and you find kind of installing them tricky, and let's face it, it is tricky. I've gone wrong many times, but I mean, part of going wrong is you also learn, but often you have to reinstall Minecraft from scratch. What things like what these launchers do, and there's a variety of different launchers on out there for everybody to use, is they kind of have, you know, you leave your normal Minecraft alone, but what you can do is you can kind of, this creates an instance of Minecraft. And there we go, it's installing the Minecraft assets right now. It creates an instance of that, so you're never bothering. Look down here on my thing. There's my normal Minecraft. There's I've got multi Minecraft launcher as well. There's Windows 10. So it's leaving that one alone. It's creating its own thing within the Technic launcher itself. So I'm going to wait until this is finished, and when this is finished, we'll take the next step. We'll relaunch it, and hopefully we'll get back in. Okay, it's all installed. So what we're going to do is going to go down here and press play. That's going to launch Minecraft for us, and we're going to go on to, it's already got inside of its multiplayer section when you first launch it, and if you've been whitelisted, it's already got the multiplayer stuff in there. So we're going to click on there, we're going to go into the multiplayer world and have a look around. And then hopefully I'll explain a little bit more about what this website's about, what this sort of service is about, what the website's about, and the service as well at the same time. Multiplayer, let's go and have a look in. There it is. Creatables server, Minecraft server hosted by Creatables. We can get up to 50 in it. So let's join the server, pop ourselves in, and have a look about. Okay, so here I am inside of the world. There's some buildings over there. There's a kind of a big, impressive looking building over here, and there's some signs. So it says, "Welcome to Creatables server. To start making paintings, you need to craft the creator block. Search for it using the search box in the inventory, and click on it to show the recipe and have fun." Right you are. Let's go over here. Let's go and find out. I'll do that in a minute, but first of all I want to check out this building. That looks pretty cool. Wow, look at this. Look at the edge. That's not in Minecraft. That's not in Minecraft. There's some really interesting sections in here. Okay, let's go and have a look down here. And if we look into this, what Creatables does very well is that look at that. It creates paintings and artwork that you can actually view inside of Minecraft. So these are custom paintings that you can connect to a website. You can upload, and these are pretty cool actually. Oh look, that's one from an iPad or something like that. Okay, that's good. And you could do anything. Okay, so this is a nice one, and the resolution is amazing. Totally, like, you know, photographic resolution, which is lovely. So if you do some really fine work, you will be able to kind of import it and have it into your mod. These are great. These are lovely. Okay, and the nice thing is it can be classroom based as well. So let's just have a look at my account. So I'm going to just escape over here and go into the Creatables website. So you can see this is the user account, and I've got my creations I've got here. I've got kind of a couple of images here. I've got me. I put myself in there just to start test it out, and everything is pending approval. So basically, a lot of the images are very safe because the Creatable. It seems like Creatables themselves will have a look at a picture and approve it or not. So faces and things like that are not approved apparently, but I'm going to see if this one gets approved and stuff like that. So all sorts of really fun let's go and have a look at activities as well. You can kind of have a look at all the other artworks that are in here, and other kind of oh look at that, other kind of galleries that are available too. And it's amazing. So there's some really sweet drawings over here. So there's this drawing here. Wow, that's cool. And you can see how kind of lovely the website looks as well. And we've also got, you can add compliments and suggestions. So it creates, it seems, a kind of a community of creative people, okay? All sharing their artwork, either on the actual kind of website itself, and within Minecraft too. Now, not only can you go onto you think, well, do I have to go on their server? No, not at all. You could actually, if we go back to Creatables, you can go all the way down here, and you can create a single player thing as well. As long as you've got an internet connection, I believe. Here we go. Here we go. So how to run a single player? Click single player. Right, you are. So you create a new world. You can be in creative. So that's what I should do. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that right now. So let's go and create a single player world. So disconnect, cancel that. I'm going to do single player, create a new world. It's going to be in creative and create new world. So there it is, all kind of creating itself very nicely. Any minute now. And while we're doing that, then we can press E, and I think we can kind of just do creator. Oops, if I could spell it right. Creator. And there's the block that I need. So I need to bring that down here. And let's go and fly over here and show you how this works. So we're going to place that down here, and then I'm going to right click it, and it says email username and password. So this responds to when you've set up your account over here. That's what that refers to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my email and password in, and then hopefully I'll have logged in. Okay, so well, now I've logged myself in, and here we have the mod. So let's just go back and read some instructions before we get there too much. So here's the mod. We've logged ourselves in, and there it is. There's a representation of it. Now, if I look, and on the right-hand side, there seems to be loads of pictures as well. Note that the first time you log it may take some time for all your creations to be loaded and be cached. Select a creation, right? Set the dimensions that you would like for it. Okay, so I've got two things here. So I've got one over there. So there's my thing. I'd like it to be 4 by 4. Okay. I need some paper, so let's put some paper in here as well. Let's. Oh, I don't know. I don't want that. Okay, escape. I need some paper. Just in creative. Let's take a stack of paper. Okay, go back in here. That's the one I want. It's got to be 4 by 4. Let's put some paper in here like so, and hopefully tick the box there. It's creating it. I've got a custom painting. I can place it down somewhere now. Let's go and have a look. Let's pop it on here. Do I need it to be flat area? I suspect I do. So let's break some stuff over here and place it up on a wall. So it's going to be 4 by 4. So that's going to be 4 by 4 here. And we've nearly done it, and we'll just paste it there. There we go. And there we have it. Let's grab that bit. That is amazing. So that is how it's kind of easy to do, which is great. So let's have a real close look. So this is a picture by Blockworks, who I've worked with quite a lot in terms of, you know, they've created loads of maps for me, and I just wanted to test, and it's just I had something on my desktop. But of course, let's press escape. We could say you have all sorts of, you know, you have a whole class. You could put your whole class's creations, and they can have an art gallery within Minecraft. And it does seem to be reasonably simple to do. Back to game. There we go. Not only that, not within schools and stuff like that, but I suspect actually at home too. So imagine kind of just doing this thing for yourselves and your friends. A lot of kids nowadays, I mean, my son included, uses the Technic launcher for all sorts of different things as well. But this is kind of a cool thing to do. And great for kind of sharing stuff, especially if you've got people from all over the world. They can all share their kind of creations all together. So it's a kind of a nice way of doing stuff. So let me know in the comments section below what kind of other ideas you might have and you might explore if you were going to be using Creatables mod and see how that works. The nice thing about this mod is that it is connected to a website, and the website is very friendly to use, very easy. And remember, we've got all these kind of activities, so you can kind of bring in and support other people's creativity too at the same time. There's loads of different people here. So what I'm going to be doing is I'll leave all the links for Creatables and also the instructions in the description below. If you're interested in this stuff, do have a little explore of it. It's kind of really interesting for me to have a look at it. It'd be interesting to see if they ever move on from just still images to moving images as well. See if that's possible. I'm not sure if it is or not. But yeah, look at the website. It's lovely. So we can kind of add creators, add galleries, and all sorts of stuff. So I think there's much more to explore in this. But I wanted to just give a kind of just a little shout out to it because I think it's kind of one of these kind of new ways of looking at Minecraft, and yeah, it's been really interesting to kind of see how it all works for myself as well. So until next time, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye!